Isa doon sa may sa shoulder ganyan.
Alalahin mo.
Tayo ka nila mama. Okay. So, side naman po lang side niya. So, then, both side. Tapos, ready to be, ikaw, ito ko lang kali. Ready to be, mainit. Yung kayo dalawa. Okay. Kailangan galigin ang tuhod yung dalawa. Okay, ma?
Mas mahigpit pa nga si Sir.
Okay, so packwayin siya. Teka muna. Practice interlock. Okay,
Practice
so with your
interlock.
hands, practice interlock. Okay, so ganyan ang kamay nyo. Release interlock. Okay, insert. Alam ka gano'n na. Wala, ano. Ito, gano'n na doon sa kanya. Ready to stand? Ready, on my count, 1, 2, 3, stand. Okay. Ready to walk, in and walk first, ready?
In, out, in,
Go,
out.
walk.
Out. In, out. In, out.
Stop.
In,
Ready
out.
to unload? Ready, on my count, 1, 2, 3. Okay, kneel pa rin. Ready?